For this part of the lesson, we are exploring shape and volume. If you remember last week, we talked about volume is measuring liquid. So as we're looking at these, try to think what you should be on slide 6 of Everyday Math Online, or if you have your math journal, please turn to page 236 and we will look at this together. So it says use the information and pictures below to help you answer the question. Gail and Karen fill container A with water. Okay, so let's look at container A. That's container. They fill it all the way up with water. Okay. They pour all of this water from this container into container B. Now container B is full. Then they pour all the water from container B into container C, and now container C is full. Okay? Now, Gail says that the liquid volume of container C is less than the liquid volume of container A. The reason is this: she says that container C holds less water because it is wide and short, and container A holds more because it is taller. Now, Karen says all of these three containers have the same volume, so they hold the same amount. So who do you agree with? Do you agree with Gail or Karen? Explain your thinking. So you think about this for a minute. Who do you think is right? Do you think that jar A is going to hold more volume or than the C because this one's taller and this one's shorter? Or do you think that they hold the same amount? Which one do you agree with? Gail or Karen? Okay. I hope that you said that you agree with Karen, because it doesn't matter the shape of an object. It can hold the same amount of water. If this was full and he poured it in here and now this is full, that means it's the same. This is empty and now this is full, and that means they're holding the same amount. Then you take this liquid and pour it into this pan and now it is full. That means that they all hold the same amount. It doesn't matter the shape of an object. They could still hold the same amount.